Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying tuned in. Let's get a little more stock specific then and look at Vodafone Idea. That will be in focus today as its board has approved a fundraise plan from Promoter Group worth 2,075 crores. Now this will be done via a preferential allotment of shares at a premium of 11%. So is standing by with all of those important details.
140 crore equity shares to the Aditya Birla Group entity at a price of around 14.87 rupees. Now this price is at a premium of nearly 11.6% compared to Friday's closing price. Now the company is looking to raise close to 2,075 crore rupees from the promoter group, and because of this fundraise, Aditya Birla Group's shareholding in Vodafone Idea will increase to around 19.8% from an earlier 17.5%. Now, however, the bigger board meet or the much awaited board meet where they will be looking to raise funds from external investors, and that could be up to around 20,000 crore rupees. That is yet to be announced from the company. However, the company has said that they aim to conclude this external fundraise by the end of first quarter of FY25, which is in the next 84 days that the company plans to raise this 20,000 crore rupees from external investors. Now, the current fundraise is much in line with what the promoter had earlier committed, that they will infuse around 2,000 crore rupees, and that is what they are doing. But do remember that this fund infusion seems to be just a survival capital, and hence this external fundraise of 20,000 crore rupees is much more important for Vodafone Idea, because it will be the main growth capital coming in for the company going forward. But there are some big hindrances in this fundraise. Firstly, it's the pricing issue. Now the company will issue this funds at a price which is premium to the current market price or at a discount is key thing that we need to see, because given the fact that government was issued the shares of Vodafone Idea at a face value of ₹10. Apart from this, do remember that this would not be the last of the fundraise for Vodafone Idea, given the fact that in FY26 there is around 30,000 crore rupees of government dues upcoming, for which also company might need another round of fundraise going forward. Apart from that, the history is also not much supportive for Vodafone Idea, given the fact that in 2019 also they had raised close to 25,000 crore rupees via rights issue, and however the company is yet to grow and revive since then. And lastly, if you see the gap compared of Vodafone Idea compared to its peers has been continuously increasing. In fact, the revenue market share of Vodafone Idea has dropped from 38.5% that was there in FY18 to just 15.6% currently. So that's a big gap coming in compared to the other peers like Bharti Airtel and Reliance Jio.
Okay, Soumya.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.